Hey friends, if you wish to create a system image backup in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it's not very difficult. Search for Control Panel in the Windows search bar and then go to Control Panel. Go to System and Security and then go to File History. Okay, on the list on the left hand side, you'll find an option called System Image Backup. Click on it and then you can create a system image backup. Okay, so click on Setup Backup here. It will start backing up the Windows system image. And this can be very helpful actually. And then you can select the backup destination, but it will definitely not be the C drive. Click on next. You can choose any of these options and then just click on next and save settings and run backup. Just click on this one. I won't click on it, otherwise it will take a lot of system processes, but this is what you need to click on. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.